Okay guys, so it seems like some people are unhappy because they are not appearing on the giveaway draw, and I wanted to show to you, here are the comments that are appearing for me. So I will slowly roll them on, and you can see there are two persons basically who are complaining they are not in the draw, but I just cannot find them, and I really checked quite a lot the comments even before I did the draw, and if YouTube doesn't show me your comments, I really cannot do anything about that. So that is that. And they are pretty much done. So if any people have not been entered on the giveaway, even though they have left a message, I cannot do anything about that. If YouTube sometimes does some errors, and they do not show every single comment. So we do have in here basically Anfira and Fernanda Nascimento have said that they have left a comment on the giveaway and they didn't appear, but I only put there the persons who appear on this list. So if they are not here, I cannot do anything about that. I'm really sorry guys. It's not like I want to discriminate any of you, but I cannot pretty much work against YouTube. So sometimes they do have some bugs. I just cannot do anything about that. Sorry.